So we have two cases from Supcase, and this time these are tough cases for the iPhone 11. Let's get it. Another huge shout out to my man Brock Diesel for recommending these cases. I'm going to put the link to his channel down in the description below. Check him out. And of course, gigantic shout out to Supcase for sending these over for me to take a look and see how I like them. As I mentioned in my last review, Supcase actually has a variety of cases. You can check them out at supcase.com. On their website, they have a ton of cases to choose from. Oh, by the way, if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's a huge boost to the channel. It helps me put out more content, and I truly appreciate your support here. So this one here is the Unicorn Beetle Pro case. This is what you would actually call a true protection for your phone. I mean, just look at the thing. It's rugged. You can tell exactly what this was built for. If you're going to be mistreating your phone or dropping your phone a lot, this is the one to get. It can be snapped on and off the belt clip here. So this will be perfect for people who work outside or always on rough terrain and need their hands free without having to worry about whether their phone is gonna break or fall off and all that good stuff. All they gotta do is just snap it off or snap it on, take a call, use it for whatever they wanna do and snap it back on. Also, looking at this holster here, it can be flipped in any direction, so it can actually do a full turn, a 360-degree turn here. Going back to the case here, this one is a polycarbon and TPU combo, and of course you still have these super rough bumpers to make them shock absorbent. This color blue and black combo is just so nice. Maybe I just like this blend because my favorite color is blue, but this one goes very well with the black. The phone camera, as you can see here, will be dip in. That way if you drop the phone, it won't hit the camera. That way the camera will stay away from drops. The port cutouts are very clean here. Button alignment is also very neat with good response on the buttons. And it does come with a screen protector, as you can see here. You then have a kickstand on the back here. You may actually need to dig in a little before you can actually get it to pop out, but once it's out, it feels pretty solid and good to go. Then you have, of course, the skeleton frame. That's where you attach your phone for that extra protection. Snap that back into the outer case and you're good to go. So overall, these two cases are extremely solid cases, built, rugged, and meant to last forever pretty much. Again, you can check these out either by following the links down in the description below. These are affiliate links taking you to Amazon where you could buy them, or you could go on the website, on the Supcase website, and check them out there. Thank you again for stopping by, checking out this video. I hope this was helpful. If you're looking to buy a case, please don't forget to like, subscribe, of course. Hit that comment section so we could get that back and forth going. I'm going to catch you down in the comment section, and I'm also going to catch you in the next video. Peace.